Once upon a time, a young girl named Elara lived in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and whispering woods. She was known throughout the village for her unwavering belief in the extraordinary. While others saw the world through the lens of mundane reality, Elara saw magic woven into the fabric of everyday life. One crisp autumn morning, as golden leaves danced on the breeze, Elara stumbled upon an ancient-looking book tucked away in the dusty corner of the village library. Its weathered pages whispered tales of forgotten realms, mystical creatures, and the power of belief. Enthralled by the stories, Elara's imagination ignited like a flame in the darkness. She devoured each word, letting the magic seep into her soul. But what captured her attention most was a legend passed down through generations, the tale of the Dreamweaver. According to the legend, the Dreamweaver was a being of pure magic who could turn dreams into reality. But the key to unlocking this power lay not in spells or incantations, but in one's unwavering belief. Determined to uncover the truth behind the legend, Elara embarked on a journey deep into the heart of the enchanted forest. Guided by the whispers of the wind and the light of her belief, she ventured forth, her heart pounding with anticipation. After days of wandering, Elara stumbled upon a clearing bathed in ethereal light. There, she found the Dreamweaver, a shimmering figure cloaked in starlight. With trembling hands, Elara recounted the tales she had read, her voice filled with hope and wonder. To her surprise, the Dreamweaver smiled, a glimmer of recognition dancing in their eyes. "You have come seeking the power of belief," they said, their voice like music on the breeze. "But know this, child, belief is not a gift to be bestowed, but a journey to be embraced." The Dreamweaver vanished with those words, leaving Elara alone in the clearing. But as she gazed up at the twinkling stars overhead, she felt a warmth spread through her heart. At that moment, she realized that the power of belief was not found in the pages of a book or the whispers of a legend, but within herself. And so, with newfound determination, Elara returned to the village, her heart filled with the magic of possibility. Though she may never meet the Dreamweaver again, she always carried their wisdom with her, a reminder that the greatest magic of all lies in the power of belief.